Good morning, everyone. Today we will start from question number 5th, exercise 15.1. Question number 5th is an organization selected 2400 families at random and surveyed them to determine a relationship between income level and the number of vehicles in a family. The information gathered is listed in the table below. Monthly income and vehicles per family 0, 1, 2 and above 2. ठीक है, according to monthly income, ठीक है, the frequency of vehicles per families are given. Okay, suppose a family is chosen, to find the probability that the family chosen is the first part, earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly two vehicles. ठीक है, so in this question the total number of families is 2400. It means the total outcome is 2400. Okay, so first we will write total number of families is 2400. ठीक है, the first part, find the probability that the family chosen is earning 10,000 to 13,000 per month and owning exactly two vehicles. ठीक है, so the favorable outcome for this class interval and owning exactly two vehicles, frequency is 29. ठीक है, so the probability will be earning 10,000 to 13,000. Okay, and owning exactly two vehicles. Exactly two vehicles is equal to favorable outcome 29 and total number of families 2400. ठीक है, so the probability will be 29 upon 2400. Okay, the second part, earning 16,000 or more per month and owning exactly one vehicle. ठीक है, so on this class interval 16,000 or more and owning exactly one vehicle, so the frequency it is 579. It means the favorable outcome is 579 and total outcome is 2400. ठीक है, so the probability of second part, earning 16,000 or more per month, ठीक है, per month and owning exactly one vehicle. Exactly one vehicle, so the probability will be favorable outcome is 579 and total outcome is 2400. ठीक है, the third part is earning less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicles. ठीक है, 7,000 per month less than, so the for first class interval less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle, it means the zero vehicle. ठीक है, so the favorable outcome is 10. ठीक है, so for third part, earning less than 7,000 per month and does not own any vehicle is equal to favorable outcome is 10 and total outcome is 2400. 10 cancel out, so it will be 1 upon 240. Okay, the next part, earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles. ठीक है, 13,000 to 16,000 and owning more than 2 vehicles, so the favorable outcome will be 25. For the next part, ठीक है, so probability of earning 13,000 to 16,000 per month and owning more than 2 vehicles, more than 2 vehicles, so the favorable outcome is 25 and total outcome is 2,400. ठीक है, 5 5s are 25 and it will 5 4s are 20, 5 8s are 40 and 0. Again we can cancel out 5 1s are 5 9s are 45 and 5 6s are 30. So it will 1 upon 96. Okay, the fourth part. The last part, the fifth part is owning not more than one vehicle. Okay, not more than one vehicle, it means कि we have to take only 0 vehicles per family and 1 vehicles per family. ठीक है, we have to find the sum of the frequency of these vehicles. ठीक है, we have to find the sum of these frequency. Okay, so the last part will be owning not more than one vehicle is equal to, so the sum of this frequency we will get 2062 and total outcome is 2400. We can cancel out, so it will 1031 and it will 1200. Okay, so the probability will be 1031 upon 1200. Okay, so I think this question is clear. Okay, question number 6 and 8 you have to do yourself. Now we will take question number 7. Question number 7 is to know the opinion of the students about the subject statistics. A survey of 200 students was conducted. The data is recorded in the following table. Opinion, like and dislike, number of the students are given. Find the probability that a student chosen at random like statistics and does not like it. Okay, so total outcome is 200. Okay, so in this question, total outcomes is 200. ठीक है, the first part, the favorable outcome. So favorable outcome, it is given 135. ठीक है, for like. So favorable outcome it is given 135. So probability of like statistics is equal to favorable outcome 135 and total outcome is 200. ठीक है, 5 से कैंसिल आउट कर सकते हैं, 5 2 जा 10 and 5 7 जा 35, 5 4 जा 20, so it will 40, 27 by 40. ठीक है, it is the probability of like statistics. Second part, does not like it. So favorable outcomes are given for dislike 65. So the probability of does not like is equal to favorable outcome upon total outcome. ठीक है, so favorable outcome is 65 and total outcome is 200. Cancel out by the table of 5. So 13 5s are 65 and 45s are 200. ठीक है, so the probability will be 13 by 40. ठीक है, does not like. Okay, so I think this question is clear. Okay, question number 9 and 10. These two questions are based on activity. ठीक है, so you have to try these two questions yourself. And question number 12 and 13 also you have to try yourself. Okay, now I am taking question number 11. Question number 11 is 11 bags of wheat flour, each marked 5 kg, actually contain the following weights of flour in kg are given. ठीक है, so find the probability that any of these bags chosen at random contains more than 5 kg of flour. ठीक है, so here the total number of bags are 11. ठीक है, it means the total outcomes are 11. ठीक है, so total number of bags are 11. ठीक है, and favorable outcomes will be, now check, the weight more than 5 kg we have to take. ठीक है, because we have to find the probability of those bag, ठीक है, whose weight is more than 5 kg. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So 7 is the favorable outcome. ठीक है, so probability is more than 5 kg, it will be favorable outcome upon total number of bags. ठीक है, so it will 7 by 11. ठीक है, so the probability will be 7 by 11. Okay, now this exercise has finished and the chapter also has finished. In the next class we will take the next chapter, chapter number 7. Okay.